Hey guys, so jumping right into the video, today we are featuring L Wigs and I have their 613 bob wig. Now today I'm doing the hot water method just really quick to get this little cute pink color. And I use Kiss Temptation and I use the colors Salmon and Pink Petal. And as you can see, I'm just using the brush to mix in the color in the water. I did not boil the water this time. If you just get water from the sink and just warm it up, that's cool. Or just run you some hot water. But yeah, I just started mixing the color in there and began dipping the wig. And you might have seen me like trying to dip it on the paper towel. And I was just kind of like testing to see what the color would be. And once I dipped it in the mixture, I realized that it wasn't getting to the color that I wanted. Like the pinks were too light. So I'm not gonna lie, I did keep dipping it and keep adding the pinks to see if it would like change the the pigment of the color or make it darker or something. Just make it pop. Cause I really had my mind set on doing these two colors. Like I mixed them on a paper towel and everything, and that was what I wanted. So for a while I tried not to add anything, but eventually I went in with my holy grail, my adore colors, and I used soft lavender and hot pink. And I just went ahead and added those to the mixture that I already had. I did not create a whole new bowl of color or anything like that. And I just tried to add as much as I could in there without I guess staining the hair from putting so much color in there. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like staining the color in one spot so that it wouldn't match the rest of the hair. I hope that makes sense. But once I added the pink petal, not the pink petal, the hot pink and the soft lavender, the color started, getting kind of popping. So I was hyped. And that's basically how I achieved the color. Just continue to watch this clip and I'll be back when we're applying. Alright guys, so I'm back. This is the color. I love it. I wanted it like this pink salmon color. I think it's like a really cute fall color. But today I'm using a new adhesive instead of got to be glued. I'm using the Esha Absolute Lace Wig Bond Glue. I don't know where you guys can get this, but if I do find a link for it, I will definitely put it in the description box. But I just went ahead and applied it like how I do my what is it called, my bold hole. Just did little dots, and I used my cocoa butter stick container that it came in to like, I guess, spread the glue, because I don't know, it was the closest thing to me and it was flat, so yeah, whatever. But yeah, I just applied it how I do when I do the bold hold glue, and then I went ahead and started blow drying. Make sure you're blow drying on cool makes it dry much faster. If you do hot, I'm pretty sure it'll just make it not dry at all. I don't know, I've never tried on hot. But anyways, once the glue kind of started turning clear, I knew it was time to apply. And the parts where it didn't turn clear was because I kind of applied too much, but that's fine. Then I went ahead and just stuck the lace on there. As you'll see, a couple parts still are coming up, but you can always go back and fix that. Now for this lace glue, when I say it smells exactly like Elmer's, like I swear I was putting Elmer's right on my forehead. Honestly, truly, like, I don't know, but overall it did keep the lace down. It looks like I'm struggling a little bit. I probably was. I don't really remember. But their lace, well, let me say this. The wig itself, they said it was 613, but it did have some like black hairs mixed in the actual hair. So it was like some pieces were 613, some were probably a 27, some were probably a 4, a 2, and then there was like someone being there too. So it was kind of harder to color this hair than it would to be to color a regular 613 hair. I'm stumbling over my words. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to explain. And then also the lace was a little hard, but other than that, it was cool. And sometimes hard lace is really hard to tint, from my experience. So I didn't even try to do that. But I know you guys have probably seen my previous video a while back, basically covering up the lace that's too light or too dark. And that's basically the method I used in this video. Because I didn't want to waste my time trying to tint it and then it didn't work, because I've tried it previously and it just didn't work out too well. And that method is basically doing your swoops and loops to kind of cover up that lace. Because the whole makeup thing, I don't know where YouTubers got that stuff from, but applying the foundation and all that stuff, if you take a picture with the flash, it just doesn't look cute at all. It just looks like you have a ring around your forehead. In my opinion, it's not cute. So this is my method to covering too light or too dark lace. You just do some swoops and loops and it covers it right on up. And that's basically it. I feel like I'm talking too much, so I'm gonna shut up now. So just continue to watch me, you know, style this the way I want to. I'll leave all the links and information in the description box. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
skirt, 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 skirt,